Welcome to DrumBlaster version 4, a fully automated build-up control system that effectively cuts cleaning time, reduces water consumption, and frees up the driver to perform other tasks. The 5-minute power wash cycle saves time and money, putting more trucks on the road faster, increasing carry capacity, improving mix quality, and reducing fuel consumption. Simply back up to the bump stop, which aligns the boom to the center of the drum every time. The driver activates the green start button on the weatherproof control panel and uses the key fob reader to activate the fleet management system. Each truck is assigned its own unique key fob, which DrumBlaster recognizes as an individual and unique vehicle with its own height, angle of entry, and drum depth characteristics. The power wash cycle time is set and locked in on the board PLC. Then, in a world first, while the drum remains stationary, DrumBlaster's rotating head spins inside the drum for maximum safety, cleaning both sides of the blades using multiple pressure nozzles. For exactly 5 minutes, the power wash cycle thoroughly blasts the drum interior with up to 10 passes, concentrating on the rear section to ensure the best possible clean every time. The fleet management system records the process and sends a digital report to management. The DrumBlaster version 4 provides a great return on investment. The more trucks using DrumBlaster, the faster the ROI. DrumBlaster version 4, leading the way in build-up control technology worldwide.